Hey guys, okay, it is Mascara Monday, and as I've said in the past so many times, this is the third time I've tried to film this video. I'm starting to think that I'm not destined to do this video today, because one more mess up and I'm done. I'm done. Okay, so we've got today for Mascara Monday, we've got the Kiss Lash Couture Luxtensions 3D DIY Faux Lash Extensions Kit. All-in-one kit to apply and remove extensions, look real lash extension fibers. Lasts up to 2 weeks with an asterisk, which means, can't find it. Kit contains 40 clusters, 1 semi-permanent lash adhesive, 1 semi-permanent lash adhesive remover, 1 precision tweezer, and 1 spoolie. It's got an asterisk on there, but I don't see where that is explained. Contact lens friendly, last up to 2 weeks. Just says lasts up to 2 weeks with an asterisk. Keep out of reach of children. Okay, I guess that's just it. No more information on this box. Tells you how to put them on. You put the glue adhesive in the little pocket, dip the lash in, and apply it with the tweezer, okay? This comes with everything that you need, the adhesive, the adhesive remover, 2 sizes of lashes, short and medium, tweezer, spoolie, glue pockets. We good? Okay. So if you guys have been with me for any length of time, you'll know that I did review the falscara, the Kiss falscara lash system, and I thought that was really nice. It was actually I'm not a lash girl. I don't do lashes very often. They're very tricky for me. So for someone that has a difficult time with lashes, the falscara system was really good and very easy, very user-friendly, very beginner-friendly. So we'll just see if this is a similar thing. Now this is semi-permanent, so once these are on, they're on, and they're on. I guess I could remove them with the remover, but they're supposed to last 2 weeks, whatever. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the, let me just get a workstation set up here. I'm not too nervous with this. I mean, I am a little bit, but not too bad. With the falscara one, I was freaking out. I was like, I'm afraid to do it, but it ended up being pretty easy. So the lash adhesive is black, so I'm just gonna put some in the little pot that is provided, or the glue pocket that's provided. It's very creamy, and then also because of the static, it got everywhere. Oh, it smells like nail polish. Okay, the tweezers look very good quality. They feel like very good quality, but they are pointy, so be very careful. Okay, yes, I know I've got a dry patch of eczema right here. I don't know if that thing is ever going to go away. We're just working with it. Okay, it talks about putting the lashes on from outer corner to inner corner, so we're going to try and do that. It says don't saturate the lash band with glue. Just put a little bit on, so not too much. And so I'm going to grab a mirror right quick, get myself together. I've got the lash, I've got the eye. Let's get ready to go. All right, let's see. My eyelashes are completely natural, not even curled. Okay, already having problems because now they want to stick to the tweezer. I'm going to try this again. I'm going to dip a little tiny bit more glue. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so there we are. It's on, but who knows if it's gonna stay or what's gonna happen. Yep, they come right off, so I don't know, like, if you're supposed to wait for this glue to get tacky. Doesn't say that on the instructions. One of the problems is, like, now it's going to be sticking all every which way. Which is not natural at all, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and try and pinch it down a little bit. And I just blinked it right off and it is gone. Completely gone. I will never find it. So I'm going to try another one. Could have landed anywhere. I'm just going to look for 1 second. And in the middle of the night, I'm going to see it and I'm going to think it's a spider, and that'll be the end of the sleep for my husband for sure. Oh, here it was. Stuck on my sweater. I'm not going to reuse that one. Now it's all staticky. It's sticking all everywhere. Oh, this is so sad. I was hoping this was going to work out a little bit easier and better. Okay, let's try one more. The glue has had a chance to get tacky a bit in the little glue pocket. In fact, so tacky that I can't get any to stick onto the lash. So I'm going to try and put a little bit more. So far, this is a fail. The falscara was much easier and better because it just stuck right to your lash. You didn't have to wait for it to get tacky. It just stuck right to it. Okay. I'm gonna wait a few seconds. This is why I have such difficulty with false lashes in the first place, because how long do you wait for it to get tacky? Then, oops, if I stick it in the wrong spot, how am I going to get it to the right spot? I have to take it off, try it again, clean it off, and it's just a big issue. With the falscara system, I didn't have any of that problem. They were very comfortable. These feel like they're probably going to be comfortable, but who knows if I could ever get them on. This is the biggest problem. Number one, they're just not sticking. Look at that. And then you blink and they're gone. This is already being such a fail for me. I'm gonna check the directions just one more time because it said don't saturate it in the glue. Do not saturate. Yeah, I don't understand, like, what are you supposed to do then? And then, like, if I have to blink, which when you're working with anything around your eye, of course you're going to blink. It's not sticking at all to anything. It's not sticking to my skin. It's not sticking to my lashes. It's not sticking to anything. Like, it's not sticking at all. Okay. Excuse me. I don't know what's going on with my throat right now. I was perfectly fine 5 minutes ago. All right, so excuse me. We're just gonna be done. I'm gonna call that a fail. I may try it again on another day, but with all the work and effort I just put into trying to get this to work, I'm just gonna call it a fail. If it miraculously works for me, like tomorrow or next day or something, I'll put that in the comments, but at this point, it's a no-go. Excuse me. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, ding my bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.